Hello everyone, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is money. So today first of all we will discuss what topic we will cover in this chapter. How to read and write rupees and paise. That means how to write rupees and paise in words and in figures and how to read them. Next, how to convert rupees to paise and paise to rupees. How to convert rupees to paise and paise to rupees. Next, addition, subtraction, multiplication with word problems, and including this topic in this chapter we will also solve some exercises. Okay. So let's start. Today our topic is how to read and write rupees and paise, and next topic is how to convert rupees to paise and paise to rupees. So let's start our today's maths lesson. Today our first topic is how to read and write rupees and paise. How to read and write rupees and paise. So amount of money can be written in two ways. First is in words and second is in figures. So আমরা মানির অ্যামাউন্টকে দুরকম ভাবে লিখতে পারি. First way is in words and we can write the amount of money in words and in figures. So today I will teach you how can you write the amount of money in words and in figures. So let us see some example. 3 rupees and 50 paise. This is the amount in words. So how can you write this amount in figures? So remember these rules. Dot separates the rupees from paise. Dot separate the rupees from paises. So we can separate the rupees and paise using a dot. 3 rupees. So there is no rupees except 3 3 are kono rupees nahi. So we need to place here dot or point. 3.50 and we can use this sign. This sign represent rupees. Okay, 3.50 rupees. So this is paise, this is rupees. So this point separate the rupees and paise. Next, 3 rupees and 5 paise. 3 rupees 5 paise. So remember this, if paise is less than 10 then place a 0 after dot. Because 5 paise, since 5 paise is less than 10 paise, so we need to place 1 0 after point, after dot. যেহেতু 5 পাইসে তো 10 পাইসে থেকে স্মলার, তো আমরা পয়েন্টের পরে একটা জিরো প্লেস করব. সো দিস উইল বি দ্য ফিগার্স অফ দিস ফর্ম. ওকে, নেক্সট 1 rupee. We can write it as 1 rupee. There is no paise, so that means 0 paise. Or we can write it as this 1 rupee. Okay, next 3 rupees 25 paise. How can you write this? 3 rupees 25 paise. 3 rupees and we need to place here dot 25 paise. Okay, so this is how you can write the words, you can write the amount of money in figures and in words. Okay, next we use the symbol this for rupees and p for paise. Okay, we can use this symbol for rupees and this for paise. So today our next topic is conversion of rupees into paise and paise into rupees. How can you convert the rupees into paise and how can you convert the paise into rupees? So first thing is convert rupees into paise. To convert rupees into paise, multiply the amount in rupees by 100. Rupees থেকে paise convert করার জন্য আমাদের রুপিসে যে অ্যামাউন্টটা থাকবে সেটাকে আমাদের 100 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে হবে. ওকে, অ্যান্ড রাইট পি অ্যাট দ্য এন্ড ফর paise. First example is convert 8 rupees into paise. You know that just before I have told you that to convert rupees into paise you have to multiply the amount in rupees by 100. 100 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে হবে রুপিসে যে অ্যামাউন্টটা থাকবে. Convert 8 rupees into paise. 8 rupees. So So you have to multiply this amount by 100. 8 into 100, this much paise. 8 into 100 gives 800. 800 paise. Okay, so this is how you can convert the rupees into paise. But this next is to convert rupees and paise. When in the amount there is rupees and paise together, so how can you convert that amount into paise? So simply you have to remove রুপিস সাইন অ্যান্ড ডট, যে ডটটা থাকবে সেটাকে রিমুভ করতে হবে অ্যান্ড রুপিস সাইনটাকে রিমুভ করতে হবে, অ্যান্ড ইউ হ্যাভ টু রাইট পি অ্যাট দ্য এন্ড। 6 rupees 80 paise. So how can you convert this? Just you have to remove this symbol and this dot. So 680 paise. Okay, next convert this amount into paise. How can you convert this amount into paise? How can you convert this amount into paise? So convert this much amount, 82.55. This means 82 rupees 55 paise. So how can you convert this? You have to remove dot and rupees. 8255 paise. This much paise. Okay. So this is how you can convert the rupees into paise. Okay, so when there is in the amount, when there is only rupees, then you have to multiply the amount by 100, and when in the amount there is rupees and dot together, the rupees and paise together and they are separated by a dot, then for converting this into paise you have to remove dot and you have to remove rupees, and at last you have to write P at the end of the amount. Okay. Today our next topic is conversion of paise into rupees. How can you convert the paise into rupees? Just before you have learned how can you convert the rupees into paise, but now I will teach you how can you convert the paise into rupees. To convert paise into rupees and paise, put a dot or point before 2 digits from the right of the given number showing paise. সো একটা পাইসের অ্যামাউন্টকে রুপিসে কনভার্ট করার জন্য রাইট সাইড থেকে দুটো ডিজিট কাউন্ট করতে হবে, সেই দুটো ডিজিটের আগে ডেসিমেল প্লেস করে দিতে হবে। ওকে, তাহলে এই যে ডেসিমেলের পরে যে ডিজিটগুলো থাকছে সেটা রিপ্রেজেন্ট করবে পাইসেকে, ডেসিমেলের আগে যেগুলো আছে সেটা রিপ্রেজেন্ট করবে রুপিসকে। ওকে, দ্য নাম্বার ফর্মড বাই ওয়ান্স অ্যান্ড টেন্স ডিজিট গিভস দ্য পাইসে অ্যান্ড দ্য রিমেইনিং নাম্বার গিভস দ্য রুপিস। তাহলে ওয়ান্স অ্যান্ড টেন্সের ডিজিট নিয়ে যে নাম্বারটা ফর্ম হচ্ছে সেই নাম্বারটা রিপ্রেজেন্ট করবে পাইসে, অ্যান্ড দ্য রিমেইনিং ডিজিট নাম্বার গিভস দ্য রুপিস। রাইট রুপিস দিস সিম্বল অ্যাট দ্য বিগিনিং ফর rupees. Okay, convert 340 paise into rupees. So count the 2 digit from the right side, that is 1 2. So you have to place a dot before 2 digit. So 3.40, this much rupees. So 3 rupees 40 paise. Next, convert this much rupees into this much paise into rupees. 7050 paise. You have to convert this into rupees. So you have to count 2 digit from the right side, that is 1 2. Then you need to place here a dot, this much rupees. Convert 1500 paise into rupees. 1500 paise into rupees. How can you convert this? You have to place one dot before the 2 digit from the right side, 1 2. So that is decimal will be, point will be here, this much rupees, or we can call it as 15 rupees. Okay, so this is how you can convert the paise into rupees. So in your today's class you have learned how can you write the amount in words and in figures, and how can you convert the rupees into paise, and how can you convert the paise into rupees. Okay, so if you have any queries in your today's class, you can ask me.